Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about something that's going on in the Subaru world. A little unfortunate. There is a stop sale on all 24 Crosstreks and 2024 Imprezas, like that RS I have behind me, issued by Subaru. So anything that wasn't already registered as sold at the end of, I guess, July, can't be registered as sold. They don't even really want us test driving them right now. And what the issue is there's an insulator missing in a clip, and they have to ship those insulators out for us to perform that repair. So what does that mean for you as the consumers? Well, you can show up at the dealership, ask about them, and maybe they have a demo that wasn't affected, something like that. But as of now, certain vehicles made between X and Y date can't register as sold. So if you know your car was supposed to arrive or has arrived, you've driven through the lot, you've seen it, but no one's reached out to you yet, that's probably why. They probably don't want the salesperson or your salesperson saying, hey, great news, your car's here. Bad news, you can't take it home yet. But it's just an insulator clip, so we're waiting for those to show up. So if you haven't heard from your salesperson in a while, and this is kind of around the date when your car was supposed to arrive, and it's a Crosstrek or a 24 Impreza, that could absolutely be the reason. So reach out to them, ask them if that's the case, and just kind of see how things kind of progress from there. It's really unfortunate. We just got that notice, and we, of course, are trying to navigate this like everyone else. It's a waiting game for Subaru to send us out the insulator clips. So if you guys have any questions about it, what you should do, what your salesperson says, please put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your experiences are if you've been waiting for a car and if they had an answer for you different than what I told you. So please put those in the comments. Unfortunately, I had to bring you guys this news. Hopefully they resolve that soon and get us those insulator clips. Again, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.